Hey guys, and welcome back to Living with Charnelle. I'm excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need salt, hot pepper, peanut butter. There's one that's made without peanut butter, so if you're making that instead, you might not need this. Dry shrimp, maize, white cornmeal, this is the coarse type, fresh frozen corn. Optional, you can add some dry fish as well, and you will need something to wrap it in. I'm going to be using aluminium foil. Back home we use banana leaves, so I don't have that luxury here.